Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add optimization widget or shortcut on the home screen in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see widgets option. Then just tap on widgets. After that scroll down and find device care option. That's it. Then just tap on this arrow icon. Now here you can see two options of optimization. One is only optimization widget and another is storage and optimization widget. Now if you add this widget on the home screen, then you can only optimize your phone from the home screen. On the other hand, if you want to add this widget on the home screen, then you can optimize your phone. Also, you can check your storage and memory details from the home screen. Now if you want to add this widget on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen. And it's done. You can see the optimization widget has been added successfully. Now just tap here to optimize your phone better. And it's done. You can see your phone has been optimized successfully. And that is how you can add optimization widget or shortcut on the home screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.